Mademu wanahaga.
You read it.
Mademu wanahaga big watakuwa Hagai. Wale wa kupenda salon watakuwa Thessalonians. Waluya wa ugali ndio wa Galileo. Mafisi tutakuwa Wafilisti.
Some of these make you laugh.
Because people make fun out of this, but meaning that they believe in it.
Yeah.
They are very so passionate that when we get into Canaan, we will be different things. There will be diversity in Canaan. There will be Thessalonians, there will be Galileo, those were the Valuhias.
So is there room for everyone?
Room for everyone.
Including Thessalians?
Yes.
Mafisi.